Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to remove students from last year's Sumdog list and add students for the 2018-2019 school year. The first screen you come to is a little bit different than it was last year. They did do some updates over the summer, so it may appear differently. What you see on the screen now is what it would look like when you first log in. You want to go to your settings option in the top middle. Once there, the first option on the left is to manage students. You'll want to click there on the word manage. Now this screen does look a little bit different than what yours would be, but because I have settings or I'm able to edit all teachers through the district, so I have everybody's here, but I'm going to go down to the one that I've gotten into. Okay. And I'm going to click on the number 20 beside this teacher's name because that's how many students are currently in there. Now you'll notice this was a third grade teacher last year. It does automatically update to a fourth grade, but now this is last year's students, so we need to remove those. First thing you want to do is to select multiple students. Takes you to this screen where you can select all, and once they're all selected, you click down at the bottom where it says remove 20 students. Now this does not permanently delete these. It puts them back in the pool where they're not assigned to a class currently, so all their progress is saved. All right, so I'm going to click on that. Once they are deleted, click on Done. It'll take you back to the screen prior. We'll manage students again. I'll come down to that teacher again. Notice there's no students. We're ready now to add the students that you want to have for this school year. I'll click on Add Student. Now what's nice about Sumdog is if you just type in the student's last name and click Go, it'll give you the students that are enrolled in Sumdog currently with that last name. So we're going to say that Destiny is a new student in this class. So we'll click on her name, and it'll automatically be added to the list of students. Okay? You'll do this for each one. However, if you have some students that have not been enrolled in Sumdog in previous years, I'm going to do myself right now. Whoops. You'll notice when you click Go, you'll get a message that says you can't see a match. Now, if this does come up, you'll want to come back up here and type in the student's full name and then click Go again, because that way that'll create the account with the student's full name. Now, one thing you want to do with any student that you do have to add is click on the name that it creates and then select the grade that you're in, or that they will be testing in. Click on Add Student at the bottom. Now, one thing you'll need to do is what Sumdog does is automatically generates a username and password for each student. You'll want to edit that because we try to keep Sumdog so that the kids' username and password that they log into a computer is the same here as well. So I want to click on my name here that I just put in, and it'll bring up the statistics of that student. And at the bottom there's an option that says Edit Details. We'll click on that, and then you could come up here and type in the username of the student and the password. When you have that typed in, click on Save and then Done, and that student has been added. You'll do this for the rest of the students in your class, and then they will be ready to go. Those that had already been enrolled in Sumdog has their progress brought with them. If you have any questions, please ask a coach.